Welcome to our next session. The previous session we learned the pronoms sujets in French. Today, let us test how much you have learned. Get ready for a quiz session and win exciting prizes. Identify the correct subject pronoun. Dash parle français tous les jours. I speak French every day. A, tu, bi, il, c'est. Nous, des, je. 2. Quel sujet pronom remplacerait Marie et Paul? A, il, B, elle, c'est. Vous, des, il. Troisième, remplir le blanc avec le bon pronom. Dash sommes amis depuis longtemps. We have been friends for a long time. A, vous, B, nous, c'est. Il, des, je. Match the pronoun to the subject it replaces. Dash, H, Sophie, Sophie. Dash, H, Marc et moi, Marc and I. Dash, les enfants, the children. Options, R, il, bi, elle, c'est. Nous. Choose the correct pronoun for this sentence. Dash est professeur de mathématiques. You are a math teacher. Et, tu, B, vous, c'est. Elle, des, nous. Time to post your answers. Comment your responses below to unlock exciting offers and prizes. Thank you for watching. See you in our next session with a new topic. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.